All right, hey there viewers. So just a quick video, a little information for people who are having this issue, which is probably not an issue. It's just how it's designed. You probably know by the title. So this customer's complaint is that the USB stick that she's using, or the USB port, is not working. So when you plug it in, it should, read the USB stick, but it does not. If I can get it in the right way. So plug it in, it should read it, but it doesn't, right? This is going to be the same for, all the Hondas that uses a USB drive to read music, which I don't know who uses a USB stick to play music nowadays. So it doesn't work. And there's nothing wrong with the audio unit or anything wrong with the USB cable that runs from down there up to your audio unit. The problem is the USB stick that you're using. Honda doesn't allow you to use a USB stick bigger than 16 gigabytes. So this one's 128 gigabytes. So that's no good. I have another USB stick. It has nothing on it. It has one background picture on it, and that's all. I don't know. Does anybody use LimeWire nowadays? I don't know how you download music nowadays, so I don't know. I usually just listen to the radio. But I got a 16 gigabytes. If it's 16 and a half gigabytes, it won't read it. So I got a 16 gigabyte USB stick here, and I'm gonna plug it in. It should start reading it and loading. It has no data in it because there's nothing in there. So it's not your infotainment that's not reading your USB. It's the size of your USB stick. So I hope that information helps some of you who are using your USB stick to listen to music, and you got the biggest USB storage you can find to put all your music and everything, your background pictures and everything, so you can put it on your audio unit. No, Honda doesn't allow you to go anything bigger than a 16 gigabyte stick. So I hope that helps some of you answer your question on why your USB is not reading your USB stick on your audio unit on your Hondas. Because on our Pilots, right, like the one beside me here, you stick it in, it just says not supported because the stick is too big. Try saying that 3 times. Your stick is too big. Anyways, hope this video helps some of you guys, and thank you for watching.